Hey doctors, my name is Jessica from Complete Chiropractic Marketing, and I happened to come across your Facebook ad. So I thought I might reach out to you to give you a couple tips that you could apply to get more organic leads so you don't have to be reliant on paid ads. So came to your website, and your website should be like virtual cash machine. Nearly 70% of your organic leads come from your website. So it is really important that your website be properly optimized so you can actually capture those leads and convert them into customers. So we are on your website, but it looks pretty bland. You don't have pages for all your different chiropractic treatments, remedies, um, whatever that you're doing. If you're doing a specialty, none of that. Every treatment you have needs to have its own page. It has relevant keywords specific to that treatment. It needs its own content. It needs its own page and its own keywords. I apologize. So you can actually be found for your treatments and those services. Got a little bit of content here. Videos are good, but your website's going to be ranked on your written content. So content is key. You're going to need a ton of this content. Your homepage should have a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words of content focused on your local buyer intent, patient intent keywords. Those are the keywords your patients are actively searching for relief for the issues that are going on in their lives. So your keywords should be focused on more than technical keywords, chiropractic, cervical, upper cervical type of keywords. You want to also use keywords that your patients will be searching. If they have migraines, sciatic, were in a car accident, pregnant, needing chiropractic, what have you. Those are the type of keywords that they're going to be searching rather than technical. So you do need to focus on your buyer intent keywords as well as those technical ones so that you can actually be found for those services. Google has robots called crawlers that go and index all your pages. So you do need those pages and that content. And there needs to be original content on every single page and different keywords that you're targeting on every single page. If we look at your competitor when searching for chiropractor in St. Petersburg, your top competitor is Suncoast Interactive Healthcare. They have a great looking website. They've got tons of pages for all these different ailments. They're going after local patient intent, buyer intent type of keywords. They have videos just like you guys. Interlinking pages. More local keywords. Treatments. All with their own pages. More keywords. So these guys are beatable, but it is going to take work. You are going to have to work on your content and keyword strategy. You do need to build out those additional pages. And you're going to have to work really hard on that keyword strategy. And then you're going to have to support your website with chiropractic search engine optimization, because a website without the SEO is not going to be found online. So if we look here, doesn't look like you have any SEO going on. You have a rating of a zero point 0.7 out of 100 in Google's Trust Flow, meaning Google does not trust your website. That's 100% based on referring domains and backlinks. You do need a lot of these, but not all are created equal. You need authoritative do-follow links. And Google only gives you credit for one backlink per referring domain. Everything else is considered spam. If we look, you only have 4 do follows, so only 4 of your links are counting. You have an index for 29 keywords, but you're only getting 66 people to your website on average per month. If we look at your keywords, you only have 2 that are on the first page of Google, and those are branded. You really don't have any local buyer intent keywords until you're getting to the 3rd page on Google. So you're definitely going to have to work on that, and you need your SEO and backlinks tied to these keywords so you can rank them to the first page of Google. Looking at your competitor, they also have a low score for their domain, but they've got over 400 backlinks and 52 referring domains, 24 of which are do follow. So you only have to beat their 24 referring domains in quantity as well as quality. They have been indexed for over 700 keywords, and they're getting over 1,500 people to their website every month. So that just shows you how important optimizing your page is going to be, and having those extra pages and content to drive that traffic so that you can convert them into new patients. And the last part is this Google My Business section. Your goal should be to be in the top 3 of this section, because 30% of new patients go straight here and don't search anywhere else. So if you're not listed here, you send all those leads to your competitors. And the most important factor in ranking in the top 3 are citations. That's the name of your practice, your address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a bunch of directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, and Glassdoor. So you need a lot more of those than your top competitor. And when you follow all of the tips I provided you today, your website can be number 1 across Google for each of your services and treatments using those local buyer intent keywords supported by SEO. I really hope you found this video to be helpful, and would really love to get your feedback on what you thought of the video. And if you have any questions, go ahead and give me a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.